So it's the 20th of December. Tomorrow's my daughter's birthday. Happy birthday, 30th birthday. My neighbors are sick, and his wife has been out of work for 2 weeks. Their baby's sick, and he's sick. And so I thought I'd cook them up some food. So I got some pork steaks grilling here. I got some wild meat. I got some chicken. In the house, I got some baked beans, some macaroni salad, and I got some shrimp that's going to go on the barbie. I can't find my metal skewers, so that's what these things are for. So I hope this video finds you all happy. I hope that you have a Merry Christmas. I pray that in 2024 that everyone finds that it is better than 2023, both in happiness, finances, love life, spiritual life, etc., etc., etc. May God bless each and every one of you. And please leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.